Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cake easily in Home Easy Guide. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and prepare a standard cake pan by greasing or lining it with parchment paper. Combine dry ingredients in one bowl and wet ingredients in another, then fold gently until smooth. Pour batter into the pan and bake until a toothpick comes out clean, then cool completely before frosting and serving. Start by measuring ingredients with accuracy and arrange them for a smooth workflow. Sift dry ingredients together to aerate the flour and remove clumps, then cream butter and sugar until pale and airy. Beat eggs in one at a time to maintain emulsion, then alternate adding dry mix with milk. Stir only until combined to avoid tough cake, and be mindful of oven-hot spots while positioning the pan. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support more easy recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: I love the book Dollar Banknote, The Simple Path to Wealth, because smart money habits free up time to enjoy baking and life. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want the recommendation. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. Place the filled pan in the center of the preheated oven for even heat exposure and avoid opening the door during early baking. Rotate the pan halfway through if your oven has uneven spots, but do so quickly to maintain temperature. Test the cake with a toothpick. If it emerges clean, remove the cake and cool on a wire rack to finish setting the crumb before applying any frosting or decorations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.